So today's video is going to be a cooking video, and we are going to be cooking pulled chicken burgers with Piri Piri Halloumi fries. These are going to be epic, and today I'm going to be showing you exactly how we do it. So this is a really simple, quick and easy recipe that you can use. You can have it for your lunch, which is what we're going to do today. You can have it for dinner if you've got friends coming around, or barbecue, anything you want. It's a really good recipe. So what I'll do now is I will just run through all of the ingredients, everything that you're going to need, so that you can get everything prepared. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to use a whole chicken and we're going to put it on the rotisserie and cook it on the Monolith, which is one of my favorite ways of cooking food on the Monolith. Last night I actually got this chicken and I scored it, put some lines in there, I put some piri piri rub over it, I put it into one of these freezer bags, I added a little bit of water which makes it more of a marinade, and then I left that in the fridge overnight. So that's there, that's nicely marinated. You can see all of that sauce has gone into the chicken and the breast, so that's going to be really nice. There's your chicken, that's what you're going to need. You can use like small, just chicken breasts if you want. It doesn't have to be a whole chicken. This is just how we want to do it. I've got an onion here. I've got an avocado. I've got some coleslaw. I've got some halloumi. I've got some plastic cheese, and I've got some brioche buns. I have got some piri piri sauce as well, and I've got my thermopen. I also have a selection of barbecue sauces and like Nando's sauce as well. These are completely up to you whether you want to use them or not. You just use whatever favorite sauce you have. So we're going to be cooking this at about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 180, 200 degrees centigrade. I fired up the Monolith earlier. It's been going for about half an hour. That's up to temperature now. So what I'll do is if you come around here, we'll open that up, we'll set up the rotisserie, and I'll show you how we do that. So that's the chicken on the rotisserie. I think that's going to take about half an hour to do. So in the meantime, while we're waiting for that to cook, I'm going to chop up this onion, I'm going to smash up this avocado and chop the halloumi into fry-size bits. So we'll stick it into time-lapse and we'll get all that done. So I've prepared all of those you've just seen, and I've chopped all the halloumi up into, you know, these are like 1/2 inch size by 2 or 3 inches long, just chip size pieces. I'm just going to put them into a bowl here, and then what I'm going to do is just put some piri piri sauce over them, like piri piri halloumi fries, just amazing. And we're just going to leave these in here for a little while we're waiting for the chicken to cook, and then we'll chuck these on later on, sorry. There you go. So the chicken is ready now. I used the thermopen. It was showing anywhere between 175 and 190, which is cooked. Chicken cooks at 165 Fahrenheit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave this chicken to rest for a minute. As you saw, I put the grill system back in with the cast iron hot plate on there. I'm now going to put the onions on there, the halloumi fries. We're going to fry them up, and then we're going to be ready. Then we'll take it all out and we'll put it into an amazing burger. So there we go, we've got all of the halloumi and the onions have been fried off. This is rested now. I'm going to pull this chicken apart and then we're going to start putting our burgers together. So look at that, you've got brioche bun, avocado base, pulled chicken, coleslaw, fried onions, we've got halloumi fries. That looks absolutely insane and I cannot wait to try this. So there you go, a super easy, super simple recipe for you to cook for your friends and your family. Really easy to do, it doesn't take long. This probably took half an hour in total. We've got lots of chicken, we've got 2 good sized burgers here. You've probably got enough for another 3 or 4 there. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the alert button, you'll get notified every time we bring out a new video. We also have Instagram and Facebook accounts if you want to see what we're currently up to, especially with our kitchens that we do as well. Make sure you head over there and give us a follow. So thanks very much for watching this video and we'll see you on the next one.